Hello, YouTube. It's your boy Robert, and I'm back again with a new tech issue. All right, I know it's been a while since I've taught you guys on the current trending issues. I know you guys possess mobile phones, smartphones, iPad, iPod. So today I'm here with a very current issue which most of you guys are facing. For today, I have an iPod. Okay, it's Apple. So most of you guys tend to think Apple is uncrackable, but it ain't uncrackable. So sometimes you may have your phone stuck or your iPad stuck on the iTunes, and you wonder, how can I do this? Or maybe you've tried restoring your device, but it won't restore. So there's a couple of issues that you need to tackle. So all you need is a proper internet connection, a proper cable that connects your computer with your phone or your iPod, or iPad, or whatever. So today I'm going to deal with this Apple product, which is an iPod. Okay, it's an iPod first generation, which was it was previously using the 2.21 iOS firmware. So I'm going to show you guys how to tackle this. Okay, stay tuned.
So now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to download the firmware of our phone. I'll post the link on the description below. So this is the site where you download your software. All you do is to just click on that green download button, and your software will be downloading within a second there. Just click on start. So I'll not download it because I've already downloaded mine, so I'll just cancel that. And you see I have already downloaded it and extracted it on the desktop there. So but if you download it, you have to extract it first. Let me show you how to extract the firmware. So this is the file. You right click and then you choose extract. Here, this third option there, extract on this folder, and once you do that, it immediately extracts the operating system iOS into a folder which will be shown below. So that's it. Then if you have this operating system with you now, you have to install iTunes with the latest drivers, and all the functions are supposed to be there. So installing these will take a couple of time depending on your computer speed, so you have to be patient and install it correctly without missing any steps. So make sure you follow up on these steps the way I'm doing it here. I'll show every step as it goes by. So just watch the clip and you'll see how it goes. And there our software is done. So you have to launch the software while you have plugged your phone or your iPod on the computer. Then you right click, you press on shift and restore, then you choose the operating system that you want. Then the process is as shown. It will just do everything on its own until it finishes. There's nothing difficult, guys, just following simple steps and we crack this Apple guy. Okay, keep on watching and make sure you watch all the steps so that you don't miss out on any. Alright, if you have any questions, just post down on the comment section below. Okay.
That's how you do it. You see, we have our phone all done and it was previously locked. So guys, make sure you follow up on this channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.